Hi, my name is Sean, and I'm from the Midwest. There are moments in your life when you're faced with big decisions. Mine was pretty simple until about 72 hours ago. Had a 3-day weekend. Decided to pick LA where it never snows, hardly rains, the average year-long temperature is 75 degrees. I landed at LAX, got my bags and hailed a cab. It was a Prius, the first sign that I was in LA. Skipped the plane food. Cab took me to Pink's. I met a cute girl in line. She invited me to a pool party at Chateau Marmont. She got right in, but the bouncer looked at me and said no. Shocker. Jumped over the Walk of Fame where I found my favorite actor. Maybe I could become the next action hero. Okay, maybe not. Walked past the Egyptian Theater, the famous wax museum, and had my picture taken with tons of celebrities. Got accosted by a couple of action heroes and made an angry bird angrier. Was sweaty and stinky, so I bought a sweet t-shirt in front of the Man's Chinese Theater. Then I hopped in one of those tour buses. Drove past the Magic Castle, Hollywood Bowl, Capitol Records, and Mulholland Drive. I was now in full tourist mode. Ended up at the Griffith Observatory. I stood there for 20 minutes admiring the view. Asked a girl to take my picture. Then she asked, "You want to hike to the Hollywood sign?" It was a super fun hike, but she wouldn't stop talking about her boyfriend. We finally made it to the top. Not before we got dehydrated, and she generously shared her coconut water with me. Saw a snake, picked it up, showed it to her. Bad idea. She ate hard. She was okay. I was starving again, so I walked in a restaurant in Thai Town, checked into my hotel at the Roosevelt, had a cocktail at the pool and played Marco Polo with 2 local actresses, freshened up and hit Universal Studios, walked the red carpet. Thought it'd be fun to try the iFly experience, but almost hurled on a teenage girl after getting my legs back. Met a German vendor who's in a band and playing at the Whiskey later. Wandered around the Sunset Strip and checked out some landmarks. Saw the Laugh Factory, Viper Room, the Roxy, and the Hustler Store. Staggered into Saddle Ranch where I attempted to ride the bull. I'm definitely not a cowboy. I'd hardly say anything. Day 1 was over. I needed some sleep. I woke up the next day and headed to the farmer's market at the Grove. Sipped on something called organic herbal lemon wheatgrass tea. Made a wish to the fountain. Realized there was no change in it. Felt like an idiot. Joined a tour group at the La Brea Tar Pits. It smelled like fresh asphalt. Went to LACMA, saw some art, got cultured, had an epiphany. Life's too short. Passed the Pacific Design Center on my way to the metro. Rode the subway where I noticed all sorts of people. Met a goth Irish girl who's ironically a banker. Talked to a Korean dude who runs a laundromat and conversed with some student from Cuba. Arrived at Union Station. People watched for a bit. Played Scrabble with a nice woman from Burbank. I lost. Walked through Chinatown. Watched a kid and a grandpa blowing bubbles. Got hungry. Had a bento box in Little Tokyo. Found a Buddhist temple and zenned out. Took a detour to USC. Beautiful campus. I should have gone to school here. Some student told me I was wearing the wrong colored shirt. Jetted out of there. Played in a random tire because the donut was too high. Walked all around downtown and took in the architecture. Admired the amazing and elaborate Walt Disney Concert Hall. Stumbled into the fashion district. Sun was crazy hot, so I bought a hat to replace the one I lost. Purchased a slingshot for my 4-year-old nephew in the toy district. My sister's gonna kill me. Tested it out at Echo Park. Yeah, my sister's really gonna kill me. Checked out Staples Center. Had my picture taken with some legends. Hung out at the top of the Standard. Spotted the building that was destroyed in Independence Day. Went to Olvera Street and got a churro. Met a Dominican guy named Sammy who's an actor slash bartender slash real estate agent. Met up with some of Sammy's friends at El Compadre. We all bonded over flaming margaritas. Sammy's a season ticket holder, so he invited me to the game. Had a Savvy Dodger dog. We saw ourselves in the Jumbotron. Did the wave, Dodgers won. Went to Koreatown for some barbecue. It was all you can eat. Danced off the food club next door. Sammy offered me his couch. Day 2 ended, crashed hard. Woke up a few hours later to a giant dog barking. Thought I was gonna die. Sammy was nice enough to give me a ride. Ended up in Beverly Hills. Waited in line to get my photo in front of a sign. Saw houses I couldn't afford and things I'd never buy. Went to UCLA. Beautiful campus. Should have gone to school here. Decompressed at the Getty and took in the scenery. This place was absolutely stunning. Felt inspired to see another museum, so I went to Bergamot Station in Santa Monica. Heard about Bay City's Deli. The line was super long, but it was worth the wait. Headed to the 3rd Street Promenade. Bought a $5 CD that I'll probably never listen to from a super talented street performer. Grabbed a coffee and a gluten-free Danish. Overheard 2 Hollywood types discussing a script. Sounded terrible. Met the Shermanator from American Pie. He gave me his autograph. Saw the Pacific Ocean for the first time in my life. Breathtaking. But even more breathtaking was a gorgeous girl doing yoga. Her name was Allison. Taught me downward facing dog, standing frog, and warrior 3. It was tougher than it looked. She took me to the pier. We rode the Ferris wheel, played whack-a-mole. We took goofy pictures together and compared looks. Messed around on the swing set in the Olympic rings. Rode bikes to Venice and played around on the boardwalk. We watched the skaters and walked past the graffiti wall along the way to the beach. We built a mediocre sandcastle, which she promptly destroyed. Batted a beach ball, splashed each other in the ocean, shared a moment while watching the incredible sunset. Wanted to freeze time. Walked her cute dogs Mortimer and Randolph. Cleaned up at the Hotel Irwin. Met for apps at Nicky's. Dinner at Hal's. Drinks at Jane's Beach. Then more drinks at Canal Club. Strolled along Abbot Kinney and held hands along the canals. We kissed on the bridge. She whispered, "Don't go." Day 3 ended with a new take on life and a love of Los Angeles. Which brings me back here, wondering whether I catch my flight home or stay a bit longer. Easy decision.